Welcome back. Enticing boat show is underway at Kampal. Different boats are on display with 25 countries participating in this mega event. Let's watch more.
5th annual Goa International Boat Show is happening at Kampal from 16 to 18 January. Different boats are displayed for the boat lovers. Let's have a close look at these wonderfully designed boats. Chairman of Trinity Group, Joseph Dyer, said that this boat show is India's largest event in boating industry.
We found that in Goa, we find it very easy for international visitors to come to Goa and look at this. So we've got people from about 20-25 countries, all different people coming in with boats. The best, the fastest and the most exclusive boats in the world are here. And that is precisely the idea of bringing the Goa Boat Show to India.
Marine Solution Director Gautam Datta informed about the motive behind organizing the show in Goa.
We got a lot of our boats here because we feel Goa is a big market for boating and people want to buy boats, and there are also some marinas coming up in Goa, so that's why we have to be here.
Our reporter in Panji, Sunny Narvikar.
Entertainment Society of Goa organized Music for Peace and Harmony concert in Ravindra Bhavan at Fatorda on Friday. As a matter of fact, this concert was organized to satisfy the sentiments of Goan artists who were deprived of performing and showcasing their talents during IFFI due to Mumbai terror attack and death of former Prime Minister VP Singh.
Chief Minister Digambar Kamath, Forest Minister Philip Neri Rodriguez, Director of Information and Publicity Nikhil Desai, Thomasin Cardozo and others were present for the concert. Digambar Kamath informed that various programs will be organized throughout the state.
त्यांच्याकडे बोलून मागीर आम्ही ठरयलें की तांचे सेंटिमेंट्स कलाकारांचे सेंटिमेंट्स लक्षात घेवन आम्ही ठरयलें की त्या कलाकारां खातीर एक स्टेज आम्ही अवेलेबल करून दिवपाक जाय, प्लॅटफॉर्म अवेलेबल करून दिवपाक जाय, तांचे कार्यक्रम घडोवन हाडपाक जाय. थोड्यांचे घडयले जावन गेले, पण त्या दिसाच्यान आम्ही ठरयलें त्या दिसाच्यान बाकीचे कार्यक्रम सगळे आम्ही कॅन्सल केले. आज ते कार्यक्रम ह्या म्युझिक फॉर पीस आणि हार्मनी कन्सर्ट्स आम्ही ठरवले कशा जाल्यार करून हे कार्यक्रम घडोवन हाडलेले कित्याक एक निमित्त आमकां दवरपाक लक्षात आयलें की आज देशाक गरज आसा शांतीकायेची, आज जगाक गरज आसा शांतीकायेची, आणि म्हणून त्या निमित्तान हे सगळे प्रोग्राम आम्ही डेडिकेट केले.
Sadan Rodriguez, Prudent Media Reporter, Margao.
Sporting Club de Goa beat Cesar Football Academy by 4-1 to enter the finals of Goa Governors Cup football at Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium at Fatorda. At the half-time, Sporting was leading by 2-0.
Junior Elijah scored a brace while Todam Singh and Anthony D'Souza contributed one goal each for Sporting. Cesar showed battling qualities and Marcus Mascarenes reduced the deficit towards the closing stages. Our reporter at Margao, Santan Rodriguez.
For the Agnel College at Pilar and St. Xavier's College Mapsa emerged champions in the inter-college men's and women's hockey tournament organized by the Goa University at Don Bosco Ground, Panaji.
In the women's final, St. Xavier's defeated Rosary College Navali by a solitary goal. Shweta Polji scored in the 17th minute.
कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले हाय कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले अब कुछ करिए ओ कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो
The men's final was a closely contested affair. The 35th minute goal by Stanley Fernandez proved to be the match winner for Father Agnel College against St. Xavier boys.
कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले हाय कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले अब कुछ करिए ओ कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए चक दे
The Deputy Director of Sports and Youth Affairs, Juliana Culasso, was the chief guest. Father Walter Disa, Father Willie Fernandez and Milton Fernandez were also present. Our reporter in Panji, Yashwant Parab and Devidas Kamli.
Let's look at the headlines once again. BJP recommends Manohar Parrikkar's name for South Goa Lok Sabha seat in spite of his unwillingness. 14th Yuva Mahotsav kicks off in style in Poriya. Speaker Rane asks people to pressurize government on Madhe issue. Needs Goenka to beat the records of Guinness Book. PWD workmen to pose one-day strike if demands are not met by 28 January. And Sporting Club defeats Cesar.